If you wish to succeed in life, if you wish to go anywhere in life, you should learn to embrace failure. You should learn to accept it. You should learn to seek it in your day-to-day life. For you cannot get anywhere if you're not failing. If you're failing, it means you are learning, and if you're learning, it means you're making progress. If you're not failing every day, then, my friend, you're not gonna go anywhere. Because it is through trials and tribulations that we get to places. Of course, if you've ever been to the gym or if you've ever done any martial arts, you would know this. You come across failure all the time there, basically every single day. Sometimes you win, but 9 times out of 10, you lose. And as you lose, as time goes by and the years go by, you learn to lose less and less and less. And what happens when you lose less and less? Well, you win more and more. But you cannot be the perfect fighter, or you cannot be the perfect lifter, or you cannot be the perfect businessman if you do not try. And if you do not gain experience within the field and learn from your mistakes, because that's also very important. You have to realize that each and every failure teaches you something. And only if you allow yourself to learn from your mistakes can you move forward. Otherwise, you're going to start looping yourself. If you have failed for the 5th time because of the exactly same problem, well, you're not learning. You're just stuck and you're trying to headbutt the wall over and over. So, it is important that you give yourself time and space to reflect and see where the failures are and why are they there. And if there are no failures, then we have a problem. Because if you wish to go somewhere, if you wish to start a business, if you wish to travel, if you wish to, compete in sports, if you're not failing, you're not moving forward. I repeated this one several times already because I'm trying to get the point across. If there is no challenge in your daily life, you're probably not going to be very happy a few years down the line. Because challenge is one of the things that humans need in order to stay strong mentally, but at the same time to stay happy internally. Because challenge is something that we give ourselves naturally. Even if you look at the meditation from a different perspective, being able to sit for 1, 2, 7, 12 hours per time is a challenge in and of itself. If you never tried meditation, try sitting for an hour straight without touching your phone or opening your eyes or moving your body. You'll see it is an absolutely great challenge. Once again, short, sweet, simple. Blessings be upon you. Wish you a great day. Have a good one.